There is no let-up in government's relief programs to help the sectors hit hard by skyrocketing gas and fuel prices as a result of the Middle East conflict and the energy crisis fallout. Today, the president led the latest relief program conjured up by government, dubbed Biyayang Bigas, which kicked off in the nation's capital. 800,000 kilos of staple grain to 80,000 families in today's handout, which will sustain over half a year period. As I dwell more on this report from our Kenneth Paciente. To ensure that the food supply of Filipinos will not be affected amidst the crisis in the Middle East, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself led the launch of the Biyayang Bigas para sa Maynila program in the city of Manila today. Under the program, beneficiaries received 10 kilos of rice each, estimated to cover around 80,000 families. This includes workers in the transport and service sectors who will be supported for 6 months.
Ito po, alam niyo po, itong programa na ito ay aming ginawa dahil ay talagang tinutugunan natin ang lalong-lalo na lahat ng mga kababayan nating nangangailangan ng lahat ng mga iba't ibang bagay. Ngunit ang nangunguna dyan ay yung pagkain. At sa pagkain, tayo mga Pilipino ay pag pinag-usapan ng pagkain, kailangan bigas. At yung ulam, siguro mas madali na yun. Basta't may bigas, buhay na tayo.
The program is funded by the Office of the President through the Financial Assistance to Local Government Units, or FALGU, amounting to 286 million pesos. The President also emphasized the importance of directly channeling funds to local government units.
Kaya ang ginawa ko ay tiniyak ko na talagang local government ang mabibigyan ng tulong. At dahil talaga dapat sa kanila yung pondo na ito. At pangalawa, mas mabilis gumalaw. Pag inaantay natin ang national government, siyempre malayo ang pupuntahan ng pondo niya. Tama naman ang nangyari. Nakita naman ninyo, pagbaba ng pondo sa ating mga LGU executives, ay agad-agad ay nakikita natin ang resulta.
The program also aims to boost demand for locally produced rice. At present, around 15 billion pesos has already been allocated to the program, according to the president. He also assured that the program will be expanded to other areas in the country.
Kaya po, ito po ang simula. Kagaya ng sabi ko, nauna ang Maynila, ngunit patuloy po ito at saka buong bansa ay mabibigyan natin.
This is a big help for the beneficiaries.
Para po sa amin, malaking tulong po ito dahil sa ngayon po mahal na po yung mga bilihin. Saka lalo pong nagmamahal din yung gasolina po. Malaking tulong po sa amin ito.
Gagamitin na lang namin, sir, yung pang-budget namin sa bigas, ipang-ulam na lang po. At saka budget po namin sa pamasahe namin papunta sa trabaho.
The president also drew attention after lifting a 10-kilo sack of rice as if it were weights. He then asked, It can be recalled that last Monday, the president faced the media and was seen jogging and doing jumping jacks amid issues regarding his health. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.